Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Go On Guitar. We have Conan Gray here again with a song called Miss You. Alright, so this is a pretty straightforward song. We're gonna use the capo here on 3rd fret to have the easiest scenario for us with the 6 chords that are easy to grip and hold and all that good stuff. So let's start this one up. Capo on 3rd, and the chords. We're gonna start from the beginning here. The A minor, that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. The F here, that's a bar chord, so play the bar here on the 1st fret over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We'll go with the A sharp sus version. That is still a bar chord. You can keep the bar if you wish. You don't have to bar the last E string if you don't want to, but you need to have the bar there on the 1st frets from the A string and down, and then you need to add 3rd on D and 3rd on G. 2 more chords left, D minor and C. So D minor here first, that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And the final C is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so we're going to go with the easy strumming pattern that works for this song. So if you go back to A minor, that's the 1st chord in the verse. 1 string around will be down, down, clap, down. So this is really heavy on the beat, this song here, so that's why we bring in the clap. So down, down, clap, down is 1 string around. Like that. Alright, so let's take a look at the verse play. You're gonna play A minor, 2 string rounds, G1 and F1. You do that for 4 rounds. So A minor, G, F. 3rd round. And final. Alright, over to pre-chorus. You're gonna play D minor, 2 string rounds, A sharp, 2 string rounds, C, 2 string rounds, and A minor, 2 string rounds. You're gonna do that for 2 chord progression rounds. So D minor, A sharp, C, and A minor. Again, D minor, Alright, so that's a pre-chorus, and then you are in the chorus. You're gonna play F, 2 string rounds, C, 2 string rounds, G, 2 string rounds, and A minor, 2 string rounds. That portion of F, C, G, and A minor, you're gonna play for 2 chord progression rounds. And after that, you're gonna play the verse play, which is A minor 2, G1, and F1 for another 2 chord progression rounds. And all that makes up 1 chorus. So F, C, G, A minor. Again, F2, and then verse play. And that is the chorus. You just do like that for the 2nd round, no changes there. And that pretty much covers Conan Gray's Miss You. So hope this was helpful, educational, and if it was, give me back just a click on the like. It's good enough. If you want to subscribe, that's wow, even better. So thank you for support, guys. It doesn't cost you anything. Just give me some support here. I'm happy and lucky. So thank you, and play tuned.